Okay, hopefully you already listened to There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Shell. If you haven't listened to the story yet, go listen to it first before we start working on our fun packet for today, okay? So, if you have listened to the story and you are ready to go, then we are looking at this packet today. And the first thing we're going to do, and I'm not going to do it with you, is that this first page is about putting in order the things the little old lady swallowed. Okay, so I will put the answers up tomorrow so you can check your work, but you need to think, which one did she swallow first? Fish, pill, crab, gull, shell, sand, or wave? Okay, so the first one was the shell. Phew, excuse me. Um, and then you can go through and say what came second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, and then what happened at the end of the story. So you can see that to be able to do this first page, you need to have listened to the story. We'll check it later. Okay, so my question for you is, have you ever been to the beach? Okay, you can tell me yes or no. If the answer is yes, what was your favorite thing to do there? If the answer was no, what do you think you would like doing at the beach? Okay, do you think you would like building sandcastles? Do you think you'd like to go wading, which means just walking into the water a little bit? Or do you love to swim and hope that you could go swimming in the ocean when you're at the beach? Okay, do you think you'd like to dig holes, collect seashells, build sandcastles? What do you think you would like to do the most? So if you could build a sandcastle, I would make it look like blank. How would you like to make that sandcastle look? And how do you think sand feels? What word, what adjective could you use to describe the feeling of sand? Question for you. Have you ever tasted ocean water? Or have you ever been out to the Great Salt Lake and tasted that water? Because they're very similar. If you said yes, what does it taste like? If you said no, I'll tell you. Ocean water and the Great Salt Lake tastes like salt. Okay, it's very salty. That's why it's called the Great Salt Lake. Okay, because it tastes like salt. And write down 3 different things you think you could do at the beach. And we already mentioned some above. Okay, and then just like we did with ice cream, we have 8 words up here that we are going to put in alphabetical order. Okay, so again, look and see, we don't have any A's, so we can cross that off. I do have B words, 3 of them, so I'm going to circle B. Go through, find all the letters that you use, and then put them in the correct order, and you can check your work tomorrow. Okay, and then we have another unscramble, where we can take those same words and the letters have all been mixed up and we need to put them in the right order and write the words again. Okay, and then we're going to just do an opinion pre-write. We aren't going to write the whole thing. We're just going to write what we think is the best thing to do at the beach. The best thing to do at the beach is blank. I think it's to collect seashells, but that doesn't mean it's your choice. Miss Davis loves going to the beach. I wonder what she would write. Okay, what are your reasons for that? And then write your conclusion. And we've been practicing conclusions. That is why. I think the best thing to do at the beach is what? And if you need to come onto the side or even the back, you can do that. Okay? So that is this packet and the steps you'll need to take to get that done. Have fun with it. Oh, and just imagine how wonderful it would be to go play at the beach. See ya.